Joke, no joke. At the chiropractor. Here to get an adjustment.
Pretty simple. Most people only change one.
Love, are you ready? Come on down. All right. How's this magical body doing, Arthur? How you doing, dude? Hanging in there? Keep that right up in there. How's the knee?
Better.
Still got a little bit of work. A little bit of work to the knee, okay. Hip. It's got all, basically all on that right hand side. Okay. How you sleeping?
That's a big misconception.
Sleeping through the night? Or are you waking up multiple times? Sleeping better? Alright, let's go face down here. Let's get that right leg put back together for you. Yeah, there we go. You got it down now.
So that's a 10. Did you feel the pain when I...
Alright, let's go down some rabbit holes on this right knee of yours. Bend this leg here. Hold that strong.
Okay. So let's try this.
meniscus is bulging out on us. Get hold this here, hold this here.
Okay. What number was that? Okay. And shooting down the arm slow. So don't worry. Everything's valid here. Same thing.
Hold this here, hold this here.
Okay, so we're going pulling straight from that side. What number would you give that one?
Hold that here.
Test it a little back. Perfect.
All right, take a deep breath in and out. Perfect. All right, take a deep breath in again and out.
And you feel like you travel around the side.
Good. Turn all the way over on the back for me.
The glute. Even going on the leg. Other side and cross your arm.
Oh, okay. Cause I can't hold
This way. Good there. Okay. I'm guessing that one's a 10. Where do you feel it? On the left side or the right? On the left. Just go down the leg as well.
Bring that right arm straight up for me, right there. Relax that for me.
Okay, it's a sharp
Oh, look how easy that's moving.
Woo!
That's beautiful. Come on up, walking around the love. Let's see how we did.
Now I'm gonna have you lay in your back
How's that magical knee doing?
right here.
Much better, right?
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. Good. Any exercises you want to do for that knee, go for it. It seems like it's a bunch of muscles. I found your popliteus, which is the back of the knee. Popliteus is related to your gallbladder. Gallbladder deals with fatty foods. So every muscle in your body is related to an organ. So it's a way to kind of, backtrack the way to go for it. Gallbladder is going to be anything in the right hand side. So if you get any aches and pains in that area, just kind of calm down fatty foods. Otherwise, just any strengthening of the knee you need. And we can ship you exercises if you need those. Just let the ladies know up front, hey, I need right knee exercises. They'll email them to you or ship them to your phone. Start doing those with the file. Sound good? Right, love, you're all set. Let's do.
You don't.
Doing good. How's the bachelor body doing? Talk to me about it.
I'm good now. It was my shoulder, but now it's better.
Feel better?
Yeah.
Check the shoulder out. You get the roll right up there. Alright, bring your right arm straight out to the side.
Same spot on that left side.
Oh, I knew what that was. Alright, hold that nice and strong. I'm pushing down, don't let me. Hold that here.
Or is it the lower back?
That's strong, you got it. Hold that here.
In the shoulder?
Hold that here.
No,
That's right.
it's because everything is connected.
Work on those
It's
down.
this
Face
there,
down.
all
Let's turn these puppies
your
right back
spine
on.
all the way up to your brain. So when I pull here, it should touch. Okay, so it's a nerve tension. So you feel it on your neck, you don't feel it in
Bend this here from us, sir. Hold this here. Alright, take a deep breath in for me. All the way out.
So, first one.
Hold that
was
nice and
just
strong.
the leg only, you felt it in your neck and in your lower back, right? What number would be that one? Okay, and down two.
All right, deep breath in one more time, and out.
Sharp shoulder pain, or is it the back?
There we go. Hold that here. All right, stand back up. Let's retest that shoulder. Bring that one up. Hold that strong. That's better. Hold that strong. A little better. You gotta go through your AC joint.
No, don't do that, because last time he did that, it hurt so bad, he made it bad, he made it worse.
What
But
do you mean?
no,
Well, I have to get your collarbone back in position, or your shoulder's never gonna hold it. Bring that up. I'll show you exactly what I'm gonna do. Hold that strong.
show me.
Hold that strong.
Before you click that,
I won't click it.
thing,
Hold that
had
strong.
me pain for days.
So the first time we had the shoulder, and then I
Yeah.
messed with that, and they got thrown it off a little bit.
Right.
So.
I'm just gonna click your collarbone down right there. Popped up in your joint.
Alright,
One click.
let me get back on track with this. I get distracted. So. It's sharp pain to the left shoulder and.
Hold that strong.
apply on the left. Okay, and then when I hold on the
Hold that
foot,
strong.
you felt it on the same kind of pain. Again.
And back up. Hold that strong.
Shoulder, nothing in the lower back of that one.
Relax it.
45.
Moving on. Hold that down.
Front leg here. Let that leg drop down. Any pain with that? Where?
A little different.
Okay, so it's going here. No pain in your lower back? Anything in the hip? Okay. What number is that one? About 7. Is it a more abdominal achy point?
Perfect. Let's go face down. Let's get your tune back up. Bend this here. Hold that nice and strong.
And don't help me, I'll do all the work. Relax. Any pain?
I'm trying not to help you.
There you go, you got it. There, no pain? Okay, that was good.
Deep breath in, son. And out.
Okay, so is it on the leg or is it the leg? So that's the muscle pull, that's the stretch. I don't know where about that.
Ribs coming out right here.
Flexibility, going to work on. Relax. Actually, put this right here, yep. Let it drop this way. Again, same kind of point.
All right, lift your head straight up.
And your lower back.
I'm gonna lean it to the right and just relax that all the way.
Left side again. Same spot.
All right, flip. I'll take that one more time. We check one more thing out.
Still complains, he exactly
It's
what
stronger, but it's not
And
strong.
then,
So
alright.
hold that strong for me here.
Alright. Right here. Lock that. So.
Alright, flip over on the back. So, like I was telling the last lady, every muscle in your body is related to an organ. Your deltoid's related to your lung. It looks like this left side's clogged. Relax it. This is the lymphatic system to your lungs.